Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. In today's video, we're diving into prepayments in Odoo 18, how they work and how to manage them effectively. A prepayment is any payment made in advance before receiving goods or services, and it applies to both sales and purchases. Instead of linking the payment to a purchase order, we can create it directly in the accounting module and later apply it to the vendor bill once it's generated. Now let's jump into Odoo and see it in action.
Now let's open the accounting module and navigate to Vendors, Payments to create a new one. First, we'll select the vendor, in this case, Anita Oliver. Next, we'll enter the payment amount, which is $100. This could be a payment we made through a bank transfer, credit card, or any other method. We're simply ensuring it's logged properly. Then we'll choose the appropriate bank journal and keep the payment method set to manual. Once everything looks good, we'll click Save and Confirm, which will automatically post the journal entry. Here we can see that it debits the accounts payable and credits the outstanding payments account. By doing this, we ensure the payment is properly recorded, even if the corresponding vendor bill hasn't been created yet. This way, when we eventually generate the vendor bill, we can apply this pre-recorded payment to it, keeping our accounting records accurate. Now let's switch to the purchasing module and create a new purchase order. For this demo, I select Anita Oliver again and add the product we want to purchase. Once the order is ready, we'll confirm it and receive the products into stock by clicking the Validate button. Next, we'll move on to creating the vendor bill. We'll set the bill date, click Save, and then confirm it. Once confirmed, Odoo detects that we have an outstanding debit for this vendor, meaning we can apply our previously recorded payment to this bill. To do this, we simply click the Add button next to the corresponding payment, and Odoo will automatically apply and deduct that amount from the total. At this point, the bill status updates to partial, indicating that only part of the payment has been covered. To complete the payment, we'll pay the remaining balance. So we'll click on the Pay button, review the details, and then click Create Payment. Now the bill status changes to In Payment. Once reconciled, it will move to the Pay status, completing the process. That's how we can configure and manage prepayments in Odoo 18. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.